Time to learn about and get comfortable with appositives and appositive phrases. You have probably used appositives every day, and maybe you just didn't know the correct grammar name for them. Make sure you print the notes and let's get started. Your learning target today, which you'll write at the top of your notes, is I will be able to define and identify appositives and appositive phrases. Please make sure you highlight the words that are in red throughout this presentation. An appositive is a noun or a pronoun placed beside another noun or a pronoun to identify or describe it. For example, Eric, a talented musician, plans to study in Europe. Notice the word musician, that noun or pronoun, further describes Eric, the subject of our sentence. So musician in this instance is the appositive. Here's another example. Those, the ones on the right, are on sale. So in this sentence, we're using pronouns to modify other pronouns. So those is the subject of the sentence. The word ones is the appositive. It's further modifying which ones those are. Flip your paper over, or just at the bottom of this page, here's an application for you. Highlight the appositive in each sentence below. The monkey, a nimble animal, is often found in the jungle. Let's do that one together. So monkey is the subject of the sentence. Which noun or pronoun next to it further identifies monkey? You're probably right, it is animal. Animal is the appositive in this sentence, further identifying monkey. So an appositive phrase consists of an appositive and any modifiers it has. For example, Dr. Jackson has a degree in entomology, the scientific study of insects. That whole phrase, the scientific study of insects, is considered the appositive phrase because it's further identifying that noun, entomology. If we had to pick one appositive out of that whole phrase, it would be the study, because entomology is a study. Here's another example. Lucy, my longtime friend from my old neighborhood, has a new puppy. Lucy is the subject of the sentence. The whole next part, my longtime friend from my old neighborhood, is the appositive phrase. It's the appositive phrase. Friend is the single appositive, but all of these other words are modifying friend. So my longtime friend from my old neighborhood is the complete appositive phrase, further identifying who Lucy is. Here's another application for you. Please combine the following sentences by changing the second sentence into an appositive or an appositive phrase. For example, the first sentence, he gave his daughter a new toy. The second sentence, the toy was a stuffed teddy bear. So you want to change that into one sentence consisting of an appositive or an appositive phrase. So here's the mixed-up sentence. He gave his daughter a new toy, a stuffed teddy bear. That appositive phrase is further modifying what that toy is. Let's give number one a try. Dorothy saw her old enemy. Her old enemy was the Wicked Witch of the West. Go ahead and try to make that into one sentence, including an appositive or an appositive phrase. So this can be done one or two ways. Dorothy saw her old enemy, comma, the Wicked Witch of the West would be appropriate. You could also say, Dorothy saw the Wicked Witch of the West, comma, her old enemy. Either order will work, either contain an appositive phrase. Here's another application. Write 3 sentences including appositive phrases. Circle the word that is renamed by the appositive phrase and highlight the entire appositive phrase. That's it. Please re-look through your notes and in your own words define and explain how to identify appositives and appositive phrases.